What up, YouTube? Cuss by Mike. Don't forget to subscribe. We back. Let's get it. Today we got my guy Jacoby getting a low skin fade. Come in with my Andes GTX T outliners. Create a ball line and then clear out that bulk. Next we come in with our Stylecraft Rebels. Lever all the way open. Creating a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch guideline. Following that ball line around the head. Clean up that hair till it's all knocked down to the same length. Then we come in with our half guard open, go halfway up, just trying to remove that line. Once we go halfway up, we close it 3/4 of the way, knocking that hair down, and then we close it up all the way. That should take care of the line. If it doesn't take care of the line, you can always come back with what you put it in with, grab your liners, use the corners, and get that line out, but this usually does the trick. Next we come in with our one guard, lever all the way open, creating a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch guideline. The width of your guidelines determine how compressed or how stretched your fades are gonna be. After you get the hair knocked down to that one length, close it up halfway and attack that line. Always taking my time and being gentle, just letting the clipper do its job. Then I close it up 3/4 of the way, attacking that line once again. It's not gonna get all the way gone. Close it up all the way. If that don't work, we come back with our half guard all the way open. Still just hitting that line, not going up, just attacking that line. Start with the lever open, then we go halfway. If you still see it, we go 3/4 of the way. And if it's still there, then we'll go all the way closed. That should do the trick. Instead, you just attack that line till it's gone. Sometimes, if it looks gone, you can look in the mirror and you'll see it's not gone, and then you just keep hitting that line. Next, we'll come in with our two guard, removing bulk. So we'll just go over that till we get that bulk completely removed. Not really trying to leave a guideline, almost trying to blend into the top the best we can. Then we come in with our 1.5 guard all the way open, trying to connect the one open with the two closed. My half guard and my 1.5 guard, I call that my detailing guards. We don't create no guidelines with those. That's how we connect the fade, with those two guards. So we close it up halfway, attacking that line. And the more you close the lever up, the more you'll see the fade start coming together. Then we close it up all the way. You still can see a little rough line right there. So we'll come back with our one guard all the way open, sometimes 3/4 of the way open to get it. And then we just click down until we get that fade nice, using our corners. You don't want to create another guideline. Just use your corners and adjust the lever as needed. So a lot of times I do one side then the other and meet in the back. Right here we come in with no guard open. You see me kind of curving it around. That's the follow the blend. And I just do the same process all the way around. Open, middle, 3/4 of the way, and then close. And that usually takes care of the line. Just cleaning it up. Come in with my one guard all the way open. Sometimes you have to go different directions. The hair don't go straight down. It may go sideways. You got to go whatever way the hair goes. That's the direction you go against. So the process I used helps me with detailing along the way. I really don't have to come back and do much detailing. That's why I add that third click in. I go open, middle, 3/4 of the way closed, and then close. And I feel like that helps me with detailing a lot. Sometimes I do have to come back with a guard and close it up and just use my corners, knock out a few dark spots. But overall, I feel like I pretty much do detail work as I go. So we'll just follow these same steps all the way through, and then we'll get to the lineup. While we're watching this, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Mike. I just opened up my first barbershop almost a year ago. It's called Clean Cuts Barbershop. It's in Independence, Missouri. If you're ever in town, come see us. It's myself and my son, and we'll definitely do our best to get you right. I've been cutting since 2016. Something I always wanted to do. So I took a leap of faith and I just went out and did it. And man, I'm having the best days ever. Now we're getting into the lineup. So I comb the curls back away from the lineup. Comb the hair down. You can see his hairline's not the best. So I start on the highest side, creating a line. Start from the center, move to the corners. Hit that vertical line. Once we hit that vertical line and get that vertical line right, we'll work our way back to the center, trying to get the hairline even as possible. And then since we did a low fade, he does have some C cups. So we'll come in. His C cups aren't the same on both sides, so we kind of create them and get them even as we can. Then we start back in the middle, working our way to the corner on the other side of the head. Now we gotta push this back just a little bit in order to match the other side. That's why we start on the high side first, so that we can even it all up. Come back to the middle, go over it again. It's not wrong to go over it once or twice as long as you ain't scarring them. Don't go over it hard, don't leave them red. We hit that vertical bar, get it nice and sharp. And then we come in and we'll hit that C cup cut. So he did want a design, so I'm gonna etch something real easy in here. I'm not huge on designs. I can do simple stuff, but we're gonna try to give him what he wants. Like I said, this is my guy Jacoby. Man, he's a regular. I've been cutting his hair for about 4 years now. He don't never say much, but I think he appreciates the haircut. Hey, if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me build the channel. Hey, I'm out. Cuss by Mike. Let's get it.